Hi everyone, how are you? It's Leah Koss with the Mortgage Center, and I just wanted to go over gifted down payments and what these are, who you can get them from, and how the banks actually look at it. Now, although you may have some really nice friends who want to just throw $20,000 to you and say, oh, here's a gifted down payment for you, that unfortunately cannot happen. Your gifted down payments can only come from a direct relation in your family. And when I say direct, I mean direct. It has to come from a mother, a father, a brother, a sister, or kids. It can't come from like your grandparents or your aunts and uncles. It can't come from your best friend or your employer. It has to come from a direct relation. Now obviously there might be some argument there if you grew up with your aunt and uncles or you grew up with your grandparents and they're basically like your mother or father. There is some leeway there, and especially with a mortgage broker who talks to the lenders on a daily basis, we can help to argue your case on that point. But as a general rule, got to be a direct relation, can't be a friend. Now, what do you need to do to get this qualified as a gift? Well, it needs to be deposited into your account, and there has to be an accompanying gift letter. And the gift letter is nothing that you have to like draft up yourself. We've got pre-made documents that you just fill in. They're templated, and you get those from your bank or your mortgage broker. And it just basically needs the gifting party to sign it and say, yes, I am in fact giving this to this person to use as their down payment on their home. Now, when it comes to gifted down payments though, how do the banks actually look at this? Well, for the most part, I mean, the banks, so long as you qualify in every other area, such as income and credit and so forth, your basic ability to pay things back, and that the bank actually trusts you to pay things back, then it might not have much of an impact. But if you're right on the borderline where your credit is iffy, your income is right on the border and you're maxing yourself out in terms of how much of a mortgage you can get, if you're getting a gifted down payment, that might break the deal, because the bank's looking at that going, okay, you've got iffy credit, your income is going to barely be able to sustain this mortgage payment, and you don't have the ability to save your own money right now. You're having to get it fully gifted from somebody else. That might be a deal breaker. So you really want to be conscious of that. For the most part, your own savings is always going to be better than someone else's savings, right? So there you go. That's how you get it gifted. That's who you can get it from, and that's how the banks look at it. If you have any questions, give me a call, email, Twitter me, whatever works for you. You can go to my website, leahkoss.ca. You can email me, call me, available 7 days a week. And other than that, if you have any other questions about down payment, I've got other videos already made on that. Feel free to subscribe to this blog or to my YouTube channel, and that'll help to give you that information. Alright, so good luck, and hopefully I'll talk with you soon.